still trends in my late night searches. A flicker in the algorithm's hush. I scroll past photos like they're relics now, but my heart still tags you somehow. They say time erases every trace, but you're trending in my empty space. You're a ghost in the charts, number one in my broken heart. Plays on every streaming app, while I'm just static in your past. Top 40 of my regrets, but you don't even know I'm left. Yeah, you're a ghost in the charts, and I'm the song that never starts. I wrote a verse you'll never hear, buried deep in voice memos, crystal clear. My friends say delete it, move along, but your melody's the only one that feels like home. You're a ghost in the charts, number one in my broken heart. Plays on every streaming app, while I'm just static in your past. Top 40 of my regrets, but you don't even know I'm left. Yeah, you're a ghost in the charts, and I'm the song that never starts. Maybe I'll go viral in your silence, a whisper lost in your new alliance. But tonight I'll let the data lie, unfollow love and say goodbye. You're a ghost in the charts, fading out in digital sparks. I'm logging off this heart